Hello guys, welcome back to this channel, and today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to replace the sky in your video using CapCut application. Okay, here I have created a project in my CapCut application and I'm going to replace the sky. So first of all, we can tap on the overlay option, tap on add overlay, and we're going to import a video that we want to use to replace the sky. And I'm going to import this video. Okay, then click on add. Okay, and I'm going to fit the screen. We can use both of our fingers. Then I'm going to make it align with the video. So I'm going to cut it like this. Okay, and we're gonna add mask to this clip. We can scroll all the way to the right until we find the mask option, this one, and select horizontal mask. Okay, and here I'm going to adjust the mask, and I'm going to drag this this line like this. Okay, and I'm going to drag this little arrow. Okay, and we're gonna blend the video. Tap on this check mark and click on the blend option to make it more natural. Tap on blend, and I'm going to select overlay. Where is overlay? Overlay mode. I think it's not good, so I'm going to change it. I'm going to try it one by one. Original, darken, and I think it's good. So we can click on this check mark and let's see the result. Okay, this is the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can replace the sky in our video using CapCut application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.